Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be reviewing this product right here. This is from a company called PerformanceMax. It's a performance chip for your car, supposed to increase power and performance. I don't know, we'll see. So let's get into it. All right, let's see what you get in the package. The performance chip. Looks like it's got some LED lights, a button. PerformanceMax performance tuning. I don't know if you can see that. And it looks like some instructions. It says, start your vehicle. Locate your vehicle's OBD2 port. It is usually located under the dashboard on the driver's side. Plug in the PowerMax OBD chip and wait 15 seconds. Press and hold the sync reset button, which is going to be this orange button here, for 15 seconds. PowerMax will start to get vehicle data as well as driving habits and adjust itself for optimal performance and fuel mileage after around 150 miles. Learning requires mileage and not time. It can be in a consecutive drive or over time. Okay, so let's get started. First, you're going to open up your driver's side door. Then you're going to locate your OBD port under your driver's side dash. It's right here. First, don't forget, we want to start the vehicle. We want to let it run for 15 seconds. Now we want to plug in our chip. You'll see the red and yellow and green lights come on, and you want to hold the reset button for 15 seconds. Okay, we have a flashing yellow light. Okay, it's reading ECM data, and it'll flash and just leave it flashing. It'll read how you drive, and it'll program itself. Supposed to, anyway. All right, after getting the performance chip installed in your car, you need to drive the car a minimum of 150 miles. It adapts to your driving habits and learns your driving style while increasing performance and fuel mileage, according to their website. So whether you drive like this, or like this, I guess the only thing to do now is to drive the car. Stay tuned for next video, where we'll be updating whether this performance chip actually works. Comment down below and let me know your opinion on performance chips. Do they work for you? Do they work at all? Or are they just total junk? The first thing we got to do is drive it 150 miles. So let's get to it.